All right, good morning, Facebook. Here we are back in Long Beach. So, you guys got everything sanded yesterday, and everything's pretty much ready to go. We're getting ready to color this floor up. So, gonna hit it with the stain right now. They already hit it with the water. Pop that grain, so it takes the stain up a lot better than normal. But as you can see, floor's been sanded, looks great. We had old wood right here, as you could see, and then we brought in that new wood. So naturally there was a little bump, but now it's sanded pretty good, so it's all pretty even as far as the surface goes. But you could always see the old wood versus the new wood. But everything looks really, really good. So we're gonna hit it with the stain in about the next 15-20 minutes, and we'll see what it looks like. You know, customer picked a darker color, so we'll see. I'll do an update in a couple of hours, and we can see from there. Everybody have a good day.